Boys and girls, this week in math, we're learning about shapes. So, two-dimensional shapes are flat shapes. They can be open or closed. All right, so a flat shape is like a shape you'll see on a piece of paper. It is flat. Like if you were to draw a square on this paper, this is a square. This is a flat shape. This is a two-dimensional shape. It is flat. All right. Like I said, they can be opened or closed. So open, there's a side that's open. Closed, all sides are closed. Squares and rectangles are two-dimensional shapes. They are closed. They have straight sides and vertices or vertexes. So let's go over that. So this is a square. All sides are the same. And here are the vertexes. Another word you guys might think when you see this is a corner. So the vertex is like a corner. So how many vertexes? We would say vertices actually, guys. How many vertices does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 vertices, 4 corners. How many sides? These are the sides of the shape. How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Perfect. So this is a square. This is a rectangle. You can see that the rectangle has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 vertices or corners as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'll work through you with these problems, guys. So how many sides does it have? This is a what? Is this a square or a rectangle, guys? This is a rectangle. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. How many vertices does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 4 vertices or corners. What about this? This is a square. If all the sides are the same length, it's a square. You can see on the rectangle how 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. That's what makes a rectangle and a square a square. Squares like everything the same size. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 and 4 again. Now they're trying to trick us. They've taken our square and they've turned it at a different angle. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even though it's in a different angle, it still only has 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. Oh, what is this, guys? What is this? Is this a square or rectangle? If you said rectangle, you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we put 4 and 4. Now they're giving us a real world device that isn't a shape. What is this? This is a checkerboard, but it's also in the shape of a square. So let's count, guys. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side. How many vertices does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 and 4 again. And this is a real world example of a rectangle. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And how many vertices or corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Circle the objects that match the first shape. So here's the first shape. It's a rectangle. Circle the objects that are a rectangle. So here's a rectangle. And I think this one, let's see, this one is about this long. It's just a touch longer than it is short. I think I'd count this as a rectangle still, guys. And now this is a square. Let's circle the shapes that are squares. This is a square, and this sign's at an angle, but it's still all sides are the same length. Still has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. It's still a square. Now let's circle the closed shapes. That means shapes that aren't open. Do you see this gap? This is an open shape, so we can't circle that one. This one's definitely open. Oh, this one's closed, and this one's closed. Good job, guys. So I'm going to do a couple word problems with you, and then you're going to get started on your quiz. So I am a two-dimensional shape that has 4 vertices. All of my sides are the same length. What shape am I? We talked about this, guys. If all the sides are the same length and it has 4 vertices, it is a square. Don't let this trick you up in the homework later. Number 11 says, I am a two-dimensional shape that has 4 sides. 2 of my sides are long, 2 of my sides are short. What shape am I? Okay, so 2 of the sides are long and 2 are short. So this is a rectangle. There we go. All right, I'm going to stop the video here for today, guys. You may now take quiz 1. Thank you.